Hi everyone and welcome to our 4th of July at Disneyland. We take in the beautiful sights of Disneyland for the 4th of July. Watch a special cavalcade for the day. Meet Mickey in his 4th of July best. And then we ride the wildest ride in the wilderness. And then we see a fantastic 4th of July fireworks display. And then have some yummy treats to finish off the day. So let's take a Jam Life adventure. Good morning, everyone, and happy 4th of July, America's Independence Day, and we're in Disneyland for it. I'm so excited, and so is the rest of the family. It's going to be a fantastic day. We've got a bit of June gloom to start off with, but I'm pretty sure that's going to clear up. It's going to be a beautiful day, but a little bit warm, so that's going to be interesting. We're going into Disneyland today. We are going to see Mickey and Minnie in their 4th of July best. We are also going to see hopefully a 4th of July cavalcade and of course the 4th of July fireworks tonight. So I can't wait to get started and get into the day. Let's have a look at the view from our hotel room so far. All right, Emily, what are you looking forward to today?
I'm looking forward to some pools.
Some pool time? What else?
There's no lazy river, but I'm looking forward to eating my waffles.
Eating some pancakes this morning? We're going to have pancakes for breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're going to put in some toppings.
Sounds good.
They might even have special July the 4th pancakes and waffles.
They don't.
No, they don't. I don't think they do, but that's all right. We're going to get a special 4th of July lunch probably, all right? Have an American burger. Yay.
Woo!
Can't wait for that.
I'm looking forward to that too.
That's going to be really cool. Let's have a look what the view is from our room so far. And here is the view so far of from our fantastic hotel room. Everyone's in the pool already. And it looks like it's going to be a great day. Like I said, a bit of June gloom up there. But it's clearing up already. It will by this afternoon, I am sure. So can't wait to get into it. Can't wait for those fireworks tonight. Let's go down and have some breakfast and get those pancakes for Emily. All right, we're down at breakfast now at Tangaroa Terrace. And we've got our usual table with our usual view behind us. So we're really looking forward to this one. We've got lunch this time, because breakfast just ran out when we got here. Emily was a bit disappointed because she couldn't get her pancakes, but we have a cheeseburger coming for all of us, but no cheese for Maria. So this is going to be yummy. We'll show you what we get in just 1 minute. And look at that beautiful view. Isn't that gorgeous? That's our tower as well, the Fantasy Tower here at the Disneyland Hotel. So our room's somewhere up there on the 8th floor. Living the life here at Disneyland. It is July 4th. Happy Independence Day. 250 years. Wow. All right. Emily has the kids' cheeseburger. That's so cute. What have you got there, Maria?
So I got the burger, but I obviously took out the cheese for myself.
Yep.
And I got the sweet potato fries instead of the regular fries. I couldn't picture that it was going to be this like stacked.
That is huge. Enjoy. And I have got the cheeseburger over here as well. I've got cheese on mine, of course, and I've got the standard fries. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic.
So it's a good thing that we actually skipped breakfast, because if I had to fit this in as well as breakfast, I don't think I would have been able to. But at least it's going to be a full meal for us.
It looks fantastic.
All right, so I went through it okay. I did leave a little bit because I'm just so full right now. It is a very filling meal, so if you're going to come at lunchtime and you order this, make sure you've got an empty stomach because it is quite filling. I couldn't even finish the fries, so
Yeah.
But
It's a pretty good effort though, I reckon. Not bad at
and
all.
also, it was because it was stacked to this high. I had to squash it down to fit it, and I only fit it like halfway through my mouth. But yeah, we went through it okay. I'm pretty proud of myself actually because I didn't know I was going to finish that.
What's the jam score on it?
I'll give it a 4.
All right, I reckon I'm the same. I totally agree with that assumption. So let's go. Let's get into Disneyland. All right, so we're headed over to the monorail, the fastest way to get into Disneyland from downtown Disney or from the Disneyland Hotel where we are at now. So we'll see you over at the monorail. All right, we're home, we're inside Disneyland. That was a good monorail ride, by the way. So we're now headed to the castle first, take a couple of photos. Then we're gonna meet Mickey and Minnie in their 4th of July best. And then we're headed down to Big Thunder because Emily wants to ride the wildest ride in the West.
So if you're wearing your hats and glasses, best remove them.
So we're heading down there. We're going to have some fun today in Disneyland, so come along with us. Hello, Captain Hook. And there she is. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she beautiful, Emily?
Yep.
Yeah, we're finally home again. And we're going to take a couple of photos in front of the castle first.
Put away your trouble, let your joy be double while we thus accord tonight.
So while I've been wandering around with Emily catching these wonderful sights here on the 4th of July, Maria's been lined up for 2 hours and 40 minutes to see Mickey. So with Clarabelle leaving, hoping it's our time now.
Like cats. You know, cats eat mice.
That's the funniest thing he's heard all day. Right now we are standing in the center of Disneyland. All right, everyone, it's been a fantastic day so far. We have actually seen everything we need to see today, so we thought we'd come over for a quick ride on Big Thunder Mountain because it's 20 minutes. So that is absolutely fantastic. After this, we're going to head back to the pool for a swim because we're back tonight to see the fireworks.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses,
Let's remove them.
because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Woohoo, it's gonna rain there. Get ready for the goat. Here he comes. Meh. Uh-oh. It's nearly over. Now it's over. That's it. Yay!
Kind of scary for me.
A little bit scary? That's all right.
What skunks? There's skunks.
there was turtles. I saw the turtles, but I didn't see no skunks.
I was closing my eyes and thinking about cats.
of the lie, of the lily, of the lie, of the lily, of the lie, of the lily, of the lie. I travel all around the world and everything I think. I use this word in all the city, because I can live in. All around the country, all day, I say this special word and then they give me everything.
I got to tell you guys, there's not many big lineups for the rides, which is really, really interesting. We only waited 20 minutes there. Most rides are sort of 20, 30 minutes. Even the big rides like Indiana Jones are pretty low today. So it's fantastic to be here for 4th of July and have the rides that long. Might take advantage of that tonight.
Now, as John mentioned, the rides have been quite low, and my guess is that people wanted to avoid this particular day, due to it being, you know, quite a booked out day. But the festivities do go on throughout the whole weekend. Even Mickey in his patriotic attire, you can actually catch him throughout the whole weekend, which is great. If you miss that opportunity. But today is looking like a beautiful day.
And let's see what the lines are like when it's cooler later on as well. So we'll see, but now it's time for the pool. Yay! All right, everyone, as the monorail arrives again, it's been a minute since we last saw you, but we have had a beautiful swim and a relax, and now it is time to hastily head into the parks where there is going to be a fireworks show waiting for us. So it's back into Disneyland. Here we go, folks.
America, a land where eagles soar.
You really did, didn't it?
Since history began, its people have celebrated the magnificence of this land.
Yay!
4th of July.
Sorry we haven't talked to you at all. It's just been a mad rush all night. But we're going to go over to Tropical Hideaway right now. And we're going to tell you everything that's happened to us since we got back into Disneyland. There's been a lot. So we're going to explain it all over there when we get some Dole Whips. Can't wait for them. All right, guys, we're over at Tropical Hideaway now. Rosita is behind me making a racket. And we're going to tuck in to these wonderful Dole Whip swirls first. And then we're going to tell you all about what's been going on tonight. How is it?
What I most look forward to coming here is the Dole Whip.
Because Maria can have it as well. Dairy free. Yeah.
Free.
Oh, yeah. All right. Fantastic as usual, the Dole Whip. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what has happened to us tonight. So, when we got into the park, there was no room. Paint the Night was just about to start. There was no room anywhere. We could not wait on the side of the street. We could not wait in Main Street because the parade was coming. So we sort of camped out in the Emporium. It was really funny, and pretending we were shopping for like an hour before the parade had finished, and then we could move onto the street. When Paint the Night finished and Mickey came down the road, we quickly scooted onto the middle of Main Street, and then we sort of scooted onto the street, got a little position, and was able to see the fireworks, and they were absolutely spectacular, fantastic, as you've probably already seen from the video. So I just wanted to like jump on and tell you exactly what happened to us, as we didn't get time or a spot to vlog. But now we're going to head back to the hotel. Everyone's really tired. We've got DCA tomorrow. So I'll check in with you either in downtown Disney on the way back or when we get back to the hotel room. All right, back in the monorail. Time to go home, folks. Let's take one last ride tonight to get home. I think Emily wants to play in the park a little bit, don't you, Emily?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm so energetic that I can go around for 100 days.
Okay. So we're going to run around the park for a bit before we go back up to the room. Yeah. Look at those loose teeth down there. Oh my gosh. All right. We'll see you at the park side market over there at downtown Disney Azek. So I'm about to try the corn dogs fried Hawaiian bread. It looks pretty good. Smells good too. Oh yeah. That is fantastic. 5 out of 5 all day long. All right, guys, we've arrived back at the hotel. It has been a long night. It's almost midnight. Emily's had a little play in the park, and now it's time to end our 4th of July here at Disneyland. So tomorrow we're going into DCA. We're going to have a look around there, and we must catch Soarin' because it's a special Soarin' for America's 250th birthday. Soarin' over America. So we are looking forward to that one. But guys, it's been a long day. It's time for a bit of sleep now. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to spread the jam.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell, everyone, because we have heaps of videos coming up. And also, we have a playlist for our Disneyland and Alaskan adventures, which I'll put right here. And we'll see you very soon for another Jam Life adventure.